In this video, I show you how you can exit from keyframe mode. So I had added keyframes on this video, but now it is too hard for me to go ahead and add another video clip because I'm still in keyframe mode and this is just impossible. So for you to continue editing your file and adding other video clips on your timeline, you need to go ahead and exit keyframe mode. To do so, just head over to this X here and then tap on it on your timeline. And now look at that. After tapping on that, I have exited my keyframe. So from here now, I can go ahead and begin adding other files and editing on my timeline. So that's how you exit keyframe from your timeline in Shotcut Video Editor. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.